Hey everyone, today's video is a clean with me video, spring cleaning type of video. I didn't get to record some things like brooming and mopping and cleaning some of the rooms out, but I did get a few footage for those things, so those won't be included in this video, but know that I did do them. So if you'd like to see me clean, or if you want to join and clean with me, then go ahead and put this video on and let's get into cleaning. So this is the guest bedroom before and after. So everything you're seeing to the left is for my daughter's birthday party, so I just have that stored there for now. I need to move that mirror, that Christmas tree, into the shed. As for that box, I'm thinking of using it as a photo frame thingy for her birthday, but I'm not sure if I want to use it yet because I'm not too sure if the size is right, but if it is, I'm going to use that. So other than that, this room is finally clean again because it was a mess. It was more like a storage room. Another thing I tackled was yard work. We were having overgrown weeds and I was getting very tired of seeing them, and I just wanted our yard to be nice and clean. So I'm here cleaning, raking, pulling, shoveling, and things like that. These videos were within a few days in a week, so that's why I'm wearing different clothes and I was able to do all these different things. But yeah, I still have half the front yard to go, as well as the backyard as well. The backyard needs a lot of work.
So we had a lot of things to be working on.
That was my daughter. She wanted to voice over as well. But yeah, so far this is what the front yard was left at. Still a little bit more to go, as you can see. Next was my daughter's bedroom. As you can see, she had toys all over the place and it was a huge mess. I had asked her to pick up her toys as I went through her clothes to see what no longer fit and put her clothes away folded nicely, because I had a new dresser for her to put it into, but she did not want to clean. So I cleaned everything up, and since I had to clean everything up, I took away every single toy from her besides her stuffed animals and furniture, things like that. But I took away all her toys away from her. So there she is. So this was her old shelf thing that I had all her clothes in, and now this is a new dresser. Well, it's not new, but it's new to us, and it looks a lot cleaner with that instead of what was originally in there, because all the clothes was falling out and making a mess. And then I just started decorating her top shelf up here. It actually needs to be dusted. So yeah, her punishment right now is no toys or electronics. We just have her furniture and her stuffed animals in here. Ruben says I was being a little harsh about it, but she's old enough to know to clean up after herself. She made a big mess and did not want to clean it. I went through all her clothes and saw what doesn't fit her anymore and what does fit still, and put it in here for her. She had a lot of clothes that are new also, that still have tags that didn't even fit either, so I'm gonna give that away. Bunch of clothes. So yeah, if she's good again, she'll get her toys back, or if not, she's just gonna have to wait till the day of her birthday party, because that's when we'll have family members over, and I'm sure the kids will want to play, and there's no toys in here, so they're not gonna have anything to play with, so I'm gonna have to bring the toys back in here. I'm not gonna bring all of it, just a few of them, because she has too many toys. She doesn't even play with everything, so I gotta get rid of them toys. But now she has an extra storage unit for toys.
So we have this. I have a lot of houses. We have a baby there, which is a boy. And we have a little daddy, ruff, ruff. And we have a little mommy.
So here's our old sink. This is the faucet the house came with, and within a few months we changed out the faucet and the sink got scuffed up and abused. So my sister actually got me a new sink for Christmas, and here my brother is installing it for me. So that faucet was actually a Christmas gift 2 years ago, the year we moved into this house, and then the sink was a Christmas gift last year from my sister, and my brother's finally able to install it for me, and I love it. It's so much better without the divider, and it's so much easier to clean. I'm in the process of cleaning the laundry room right now. It was a big mess in here, but I've already got things cleaned up. So I already had these two signs, and they used to be here and there along with this, but I moved them around because I got new signs, which the new ones are this one and this one up here. And these walls still need to be painted white. I gotta clean up this mess. And I'm done with this room. So these flowers were from, I believe, Mother's Day, and I left them out to dry. I threw away the rest of it and just kept these ones because I liked how this bunch looked after they were dried, and I just put them here as a type of decor. Next, we're tackling the never-ending laundry. I had about 2.5 loads to do today. So these paint had dried up from when I had painted the front door a few months back, and I've just left it there. And so today I finally decided I need to get rid of this. I scraped them, and whatever I couldn't scrape, I used Awesome Cleaner, and I sprayed it, and I just wiped it down, and it came down completely easy. But you know, I kind of want to paint the door again a different color. And that'll probably be like, what, the third, fourth time I've painted this front door. After this, we swept and mopped. So these windows needed a really good clean because they're very dirty. I don't know when was the last time I cleaned this, but they're disgusting. They had watermarks and just a bunch of like dirt blown and stuck to and fingerprints, and they just needed to be clean. So here we are cleaning it up. Our hallway was looking kind of bland, so I decided to hang these frames and also put this family sign. It used to be like this purplish reddish color, and then I painted it black to kind of match the frames. We also decided to rip out the carpet in our room. The previous owner had a bunch of stains on all the carpets in the house. The only carpet that was good was the guest bedroom, but then that started to get dirty when my little brother was staying over because he would drop soda a lot and it started getting stained. But yeah, I don't know what these stains were, but in all these rooms they had a bunch of stains. We put all our stuff inside my daughter's room, so that's why I went in there real fast to show you. But yeah, I was tired of this dirty carpet, so I decided let's just rip it out because it's embarrassing and gross. We also did in the living room as well, so the living room is also concrete flooring. We might do it in my daughter's room and the guest room as well. Not too sure yet, maybe one room at a time. So we're taking out all the boards that the carpet was being held by. They had a bunch of nails in them, and then I also pulled out the nails that were stuck into the concrete, and then it pulled out some concrete, so we're gonna have to fill that in and sand it down to make it flat again. And then also I broomed, and oh my god, how much dirt was in this carpet, underneath the carpet into the padding, and underneath the padding onto the concrete. It was disgusting. You will see that in a few clips. And after that, we decided to wipe down the walls because the walls were dirty as well. The cheaper option right now is to paint the flooring, and I chose these 3. I still have to take out all the nails, clean up the floor, sand it down, and then we could start the paint. Here I am pulling out these nails. Some of them are very stubborn to pull, so I pulled out whatever I could, and whatever I couldn't, Ruben was able to pull out for me. My daughter was being my camera person, so that's why the video is kind of shaky and all over the place, and I have no idea what she's doing with her hands. So this has not been cleaned since I don't know how long. It's gross, there's a lot of dead bug bodies in here. Same with these windows, they have not been cleaned for I don't know how long also. So I'm about to vacuum all of this up. So there's still some stubborn ones in there, which is pretty gross. So I'm probably gonna have to like grab a stick and like push them out and then vacuum again and then clean this up. So I'm gonna do that real fast. Yeah, this is pretty gross and you probably don't even want to be seeing this, but this needs to definitely be cleaned a lot more often than what I do clean. I can't remember the last time I cleaned this. gonna wipe this with a towel, then I'll come back with like a wet towel or something. So it's a lot better now, and look at how dirty it was. Gross. Another thing I like to do is get some fabric dust cleaner smelling absorber type of thing, kind of like baking soda. And I like to sprinkle it all over the couch and then let it sit overnight and then vacuum. But I'm not gonna do that until maybe next weekend or the weekend after. That way it could be nice and fresh for my daughter's birthday party. Here is another area that hasn't been cleaned in a while. It's been collecting lots of dirt and dog hair. Where we live, it's very much just dirt everywhere. So when the wind blows and we have windows open or doors open, they tend to get in a lot. And we always have the front door open also, so air could come in and out, as well as the garage door. So yeah, we're just getting a lot of dust in here, and it hasn't been cleaned in a while, so I'm gonna take my time and clean this as well. It's a lot cleaner now. I couldn't get everything like down underneath there. I couldn't really get that. But it's a lot cleaner than it was. And the last thing to do was to switch out these loads. I don't know if you're like me, but that load that was in the dryer has been in there for maybe a week. And so now I'm just doing a new load of laundry, and I'm gonna fold up all the laundry. That's basically what I'm gonna do for the rest of the day, is just fold laundry. So I hope you guys liked today's video, and if you'd like to see more cleaning videos, DIYs, or home renovations, I hope you stay tuned for these, as well as to subscribe to my channel if you like these kind of content. So until next time, guys, bye.